Is your partner snoring turning your peaceful night into a sleep-deprived nightmare?
Well, misery loves company. At least you have that, and you have plenty of it because it's a very common problem.
I definitely do deal with some of this. So there was an article in the New York Times, and it talks about how difficult it is to share a bed with a partner who snores. But they have some really good tips that might help you out if you're in this situation. So the first tip is you want to rule out sleep apnea. Now, of course, this requires a medical diagnosis and perhaps maybe a sleep study of some sorts. But in most cases, it can help if indeed that is the case. I know you have some experience with that.
I did a sleep study.
Yes.
I am a snorer. Yes.
Okay. And discourage mouth breathing is the next option here. So if they have a blocked nose, they're probably breathing through their mouth instead of their nose. So you can try nasal strips. I know we've tried these for Joran, or a nasal rinse, and they do help. Also, you may have a deviated septum as well.
Right.
So that could require surgery. So you want to make sure you get that checked out as well. Here's another one. Promote side sleeping with your partner. So when you sleep on your back, the gravity, it can cause your airway to narrow. So what you can do is you can place firm pillows behind your back so the person can't roll over. Also, you can try duct taping tennis balls to the back of their shirt. Now, I know that sounds crazy and wild, but we have tried. Joran has strapped a backpack and stuffed the backpack with whatever
to keep
that
him
he
upright?
can't roll over onto his back.
This reminds me of being pregnant. I have PTSD about being like, don't go.
Well, you had something blocking your way.
That.
Oh, well, can I just tell you that in our house, I'm the snorer, and I have done a sleep study. I was like, I need to rule out sleep apnea. What if I have sleep apnea? So I do not have it. But Frankie's cure for it is that now he snores.
Oh, he joined
you. Yeah.
So now we just both are like, just wake. Each of us takes turns
Two
waking
trombones.
at night. I'll kick him. He kicks me.
I have decided just to promote side sleeping. What I do is I take my entire body, including my feet, and I just push Mark all the way over.
Like off of the bed, or is he still? I mean, that might work.
That's a fun. If it's even better if he's on the floor.
I do love the evolution of this because since we all deal with this, it goes from the little nudge to eventually like a hard kick under the bed, like stop it, no, like it just evolves. Like it's like the light, like I don't want to wake myself up anymore. And gentle, just roll over.
Sweet baby angel.
There are a couple more tips here. You want to tune out the sound, so covering your ear with a pillow or earplugs, or running the fan or white noise machine. I use that a lot. And then also a sleep divorce.
Yeah.
Just means sleeping in separate rooms. And there are a lot of studies out there now that say that it can be really beneficial to the marriage, because if you're not getting sleep, you're going to be cranky.
Well,
things are going to go downhill.
Better than the violence that's happening
Yes.
in the middle of the night.
You look so bruised up.
Exactly. You're fine. Oh, just fell off the bed. I don't know what happened.